we bring you an all-new model redesigned from the ground up to a whole new level. The all-new ELANTRA.
They can lock, unlock, and start the engine from up to 90 feet away. Voice recognition system, better than ever.
따뜻하게 해줘.
Surrounds the driver like an aircraft cockpit. Two wide displays harmoniously connected under a single elegant piece of glass.
We want to keep ourselves, our loved ones, passengers, pedestrians, and other roadway users out of harm's way. That's why Hyundai expanded its Smart Sense safety technologies on the new ELANTRA.
Triangles are seldom used in car design. It dares to break the established rules. That was cool. Wider, longer, and lower than ever.
Even with its fastback coupe roofline, the new ELANTRA is one of the roomiest players in the segment.
And it delivers exceptional fuel economy, estimated to be over 50 miles per gallon. Together, the motor and engine deliver plenty of power and torque for spirited performance.
We will develop an N-line variant of the all-new ELANTRA.